Now if you see the joint venture account, so if you see the credit side, so here there is a venturer, that is Vinay, to be completed within 1 year. So the duration of the contract is how much? 1 year. Now what is this 5,20,000? Since the credit side is more than debit side, it means what? It is net profit. They have agreed to share the profit equally. So here they have given their profit sharing ratio 1:1. The first what you are going to record in your joint venture account, so we'll record the contract price. Hello everyone, I am Harshita, lecturer, Department of Commerce, Vidyashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence, Mysore. Today we are in the third session of Unit 1, that is joint venture. So my dear students, in a previous sessions we have learnt about meaning of joint venture, what are its features, difference between joint venture and consignment, joint venture and partnership. Next we had solved a problem on joint venture. So we shall quickly recall what we have discussed in a previous session. So in a previous session, we have seen what is the format of accounts that has to be prepared in joint venture. So which are the three accounts that has to be prepared under joint venture? So the first account is joint venture account, second one is venturers account, and the third one is joint bank account. So whereas in joint venture account is similar as profit and loss account, where we are going to record in order to ascertain the net profit or net loss. And the second account is to be prepared is venturers account, same as partners capital account, where we are going to ascertain what is the amount to be paid to the venturers. So that balancing figure will be transferred to joint bank account, where in the joint bank account we are going to record all the entries relating to cash, that is cash received as well as cash paid, and the total of debit side and credit side of joint bank account should be equal. So this is a format or accounts that has to be prepared under joint venture. Next we have solved a problem, that is question paper problem on joint venture. So today we shall go through one more problem so that you can clearly understand how we are going to prepare joint venture or how we are going to prepare accounts under joint venture. So go through the problem here. Vinay and Naveen. So who are the venturers here? Vinay and Naveen undertook the construction of a auditorium jointly for Vidya Bharati for rupees 20 lakh. So what is the total contract price? The total contract price is rupees 20 lakh. The work has started on 1103. So the work has been started on 1103 to be completed within 1 year. So the duration of the contract is how much? 1 year. So penalty for the delay in construction was fixed at rupees 50,000. So if they exceed 1 year, then there is a penalty of rupees 50,000 per month. A joint bank account was opened into which Vinay contributed 5 lakh and Naveen contributed 7,50,000. So they have agreed to share the profit equally. So here they have given their profit sharing ratio 1:1. Vinay is allowed 8% of the contract price as supervision charges. So here 8% of the contract price is given as supervision charges to whom? To Vinay. Their transactions were. Now in this paragraphs, what are the information they have given? We know who are the two parties here, Vinay and Naveen, and they have undertaken a construction work. So where the contract price is rupees how much? 20 lakh. And the duration of that contract is 1 year. If they exceed 1 year, then they have to pay a penalty of 50,000 every month. Next, what they have given for this purpose, they opened a joint bank account for which one of the party, that is Vinay, contributed 5 lakh and Naveen contributed 7,50,000 into the joint bank account. They agreed to share the profit equally. So their profit sharing ratio is what? 1:1. Next, Vinay is allowed 8% of the contract price as supervision charges. Now, Vinay is going to supervise the work for which he is given as supervision charges. So, what is the supervision charges? 8% of the contract price. That is, contract price is how much? 20 lakh into 8 divided by 100. 8%. So, will be the how much? That is the supervision charges. Their transactions were, let us see what are the expenses they have incurred. Purchase of material, so it is incurred by the joint venture, right? Next, wages paid, incurred by the joint venture. Next, plant and machinery bought, this is also expense incurred by the joint venture. Next, Higher charges of special equipment. So this is also expense incurred by the joint venture. Next, general expenses. So this is also expenses which is incurred by the joint venture. So here they have not given the name of any of the venturer. So it means what? All the expenses is incurred from joint bank account. Next, the work was completed on 31st 12/03. So within 1 year they have completed the work. The contract price was paid as per the terms. So how this contract price was paid? Half of the machinery was sold for rupees 1 lakh. So here one of the asset has been sold for rupees 1 lakh and the remaining was taken over by whom? By one of the venturer, that is Vinay, for rupees 80,000. Unsold material was taken over by Naveen. So here how they have closed their joint venture? So here what happens? So the machinery, so it was one of the asset they have sold for rupees 1 lakh, that is half of the machinery. Next, half is taken by whom? By Vinay for rupees 80,000. Next, unsold material were there, so it was taken over by Naveen for rupees 30,000. Pass necessary ledger accounts, or we have to prepare necessary ledger accounts. Now what you have to do? You have understood the question. Now we shall directly go through the solution. So which is the first account to be prepared? That is joint venture account. So you know the format: debit amount, credit amount. Now first what you are going to record in your joint venture account? So you will record the contract price. So how the contract price have been received in the joint venture. So by joint bank account, contract price received in cash. So here they have not given, or they have not divided the contract price which has to be received in cash or which has to be received in the form of debentures or in the form of shares. So it means that what? Whole 20 lakh is received in the form of cash. So by joint bank account, contract price received in cash. So this is the first entry. Next, your second entry is for what? Incurring of expenses. So here, so we have to transfer that expenses to what? To joint bank account. Expenses met by the firm, that is joint venture. So what is the expenses? They have given individually material 7 lakh. Next, what they have given? Wages 5 lakh. Next, plant and machinery they have given 3 lakh. Next, they have given higher charges 20,000. Next, general expenses, how much they have given? That is 10,000. So here any of the expenses, so they have not mentioned this bundle of expenses which is met by a particular venturer. So it means what? All the expenses is met by the firm. So the total will be 15,30,000. Next, what they have told here, the work was completed on 31st 12/03. The contract price was paid as following terms. So half of the machinery was sold, right? So here half of the machinery has been sold. So we have to record the entry by joint bank account, machinery sold 1 lakh. Next half what they have done here, one of the venturer have taken over for rupees 80,000. So by Vinay's account, here Vinay has taken over, write his name, by Vinay's account, machinery taken over 80,000. Next, unsold material which was taken over by Naveen, how much? 30,000. So by Naveen's account, unsold material taken over 30,000. Next, if you see the question, here they have clearly told Vinay is allowed 8% of the contract price as supervision charges. So I have told you, so here Vinay has to be given 8% as supervision charges. So in the sense, supervision charges has been met by Vinay. So that is 20 lakh into 8%. So how do you record? That is to Vinay's account expenses met. So when you calculate 20 lakh into 8%, so you will get 1,60,000. Now we are done with all the entries relating to joint venture account. So first we have recorded the contract price. Next we have recorded the expenses incurred by the firm. Next what we have recorded? The asset which has been taken over, as at the same time the asset which has been sold. So here there was machinery sold and half of the machinery was taken over by one of the venturer. Next, unsold material was taken over by Naveen. So we have recorded. Next, expenses met by the venturer. Now, as usual, we have to balance both the side, and the balancing figure will be either net profit or net loss. Now, if you add all the items in the credit side, so you'll get 22,10,000. Whereas in the debit side, you'll get a balancing figure of 5,20,000. Now what is this 5,20,000? Since the credit side is more than debit side, it means what? It is net profit. And net profit has to be distributed among the venturers. In which ratio? In their profit sharing ratio. So here they have told they are going to share equally. In the sense 1:1 ratio. So, 2 net profit shared among the venturers, Vinay. So, this 5,20,000 has to be distributed in the 1:1 ratio. So, when you distribute, you will get 2,60,000 and 2,60,000. So, this is how you are going to prepare joint venture account. So, the next account to be prepared is venturers account. So, this is venturers account. Venturers account. Now, as usual, as I told, this is same as partners capital account. So, in the debit side particulars, and we'll draw column for each venturer. So, here the venturer is Vinay and Naveen. In the same way, credit side particulars, Vinay and Naveen. Now, what you are going to do here? So, first what you will record for amount deposited in the joint bank account. So, here each of the venturer have deposited certain amount in joint bank account, right? So, see the question. So, here what they have told, a joint bank account was opened into which Vinay contributed 5 lakh and Naveen contributed 7,50,000. So, record that amount. So, by joint bank account deposited into joint bank. So, what is the amount deposited? 5 lakh and 7,50,000. Now, in your credit side, or if you see your joint venture account, so whatever the account that has been transferred to venturers account, that has to be transferred here. Now, if you see the joint venture account, so if you see the credit side, so here there is a venturer, that is Vinay. So, here an account has been, or the amount has been transferred to Vinay for machinery taken over. So, how do you record in venturers account? 2 joint venture account. So, in Vinay's column, we will record 80,000. 2 joint venture account material taken over 80,000. In the same way here, we have Naveen has taken over unsold material. So, no need to record joint venture again. So, in the same, we have already written one entry, but in a different column, you will write the amount. That is, here the entry will be Naveen's account data, 2 joint venture accounts. So, how do you record in your joint venture account? Or how do you record in venturers account? 2 joint venture accounts. So, what is the amount? 30,000. So, you have already written for material taken over, so write 30,000 here itself. Or you can write here also, that is 2 joint venture account, unsold material taken over. So, it's not that you can write 2 times, or you can adjust in 1 time also, because you have already, but the account is same, right? So, you can write once and you can write amount in different columns. Next, coming to the, we are done with the credit side. Now come to the debit side. If any of the amount which has been transferred to venturers, here venturers are whom? That is Vinay and Naveen. Now here for expenses met, we have transferred to Vinay's account. So your entry is joint venture account data to Vinay's account. So how do you record in venturers account? By joint venture account. So what is the expense? 1,60,000. So by joint venture account for expenses. So in the Vinay column, we like 1,60,000. Next, the net profit has been transferred to the venturers, right? So, the net profit of Vinay and Naveen, that is 2,60,000 and 2,60,000 has been transferred to whom? To the venturers. So, what is the entry? Joint venture account data to Vinay's account, to Naveen's account. So, how do you write in venturers account? By joint venture account, that is profit. So, transfer this profit, 2,60,000 and 2,60,000. Now, when you add both the sides, so you'll get a balancing figure. So, that balancing figure has to be transferred to joint bank account. So, which is the next account to be prepared, that is joint bank account. Now, if you see Vinay, the total of Vinay is 9,20,000, but whereas here we are having only 80,000 in the debit side, right? So, you'll get a balancing figure of 8,40,000. Now, this 8,40,000 has to be transferred to joint bank account. So, to joint bank account, cash paid. How much? 8,40,000. In the same way, do the same for Naveen. So, if you add the credit side of Naveen, so you'll get the amount of 10,10,000. Whereas coming to the debit side, it is only 30,000. So, I'll get a balancing figure of 9,80,000. So, transfer that 9,80,000 to joint bank account in the bracket cash paid. So, this is how we are going to prepare the venturers account. Now come to the next account that has to be prepared is joint bank account, right? So what is the format of joint bank account? So we'll be having debit and credit side. Under debit side, particulars, amount, credit side, particulars and amount. Now, how to begin your joint bank account? So as I told, if you're familiar with all that two accounts, that is venturers account as well as joint venture account. So it's very easy to record entries in joint bank account. So if you see joint venture account, so go through the joint venture account, see any of the amount which has been transferred to joint bank account. Now here there is an entry, right? So what is the entry? Joint venture account data to joint bank account. So how do you record in your joint bank account? By joint venture account. So this is for what? Expenses met 15,30,000. So how do you record? By joint venture account. This is for expenses 15,30,000. In the same way, go through joint venture account again. See whether any of the amount which has been transferred to joint bank account. So in the debit side, so we have already recorded this. Next, we have to see any of the amount which has been transferred to joint bank account in the debit side. So there is no entry. Now come to the credit side. Here we have, that is contract price received in cash. So here we have transferred to joint bank account. So what is the entry? Joint bank account data to joint venture account. So how do you record there? That is by joint or to joint venture account. So here the entry is joint bank account data to joint venture account. So in your joint bank account, you will record to joint venture account. So to joint venture account, contract price received 20 lakh. Now come to the next entry. Here also we have transfer for machinery sold. So what is the entry? Joint bank account data to joint venture account. So how do you record there? That is to joint venture account. How much amount? 1 lakh. So to joint venture account, material sold, how much? 1 lakh. Now come to the next one. So here there is no other entry which has been transferred to joint bank account. Now come to venturers account. So if you see the credit side, we have by joint bank account for deposited in joint bank. If you come to the credit side of venturers account, here there is an amount which has been transferred to joint bank account. So what is the entry? Joint bank account data to Vinay's account to Naveen's account. So how do you record in your joint bank account? That is to Vinay's account 5 lakh, to Naveen's account 7,50,000. That is to Vinay's account 5 lakh, to Naveen's account 7,50,000. Come to the next one, whether any amount which has been transferred to joint bank account. So in the credit side, there is no other amount. Come to the debit side. So in the debit side, we are having an amount, that is the balancing figure which has been transferred to joint bank account. So your entry will be venturers, that is Vinay's account data 8,40,000, Naveen's account data 9,80,000 to joint bank account. So how do you record in your joint bank account? By Vinay's account, by Naveen's account. That is by Vinay's account cash paid, how much? 8,40,000. By Naveen's account cash paid 9,80,000. That is nothing but the balancing figure of venturers account. Now we'll balance both the side and your debit side should be equal to credit side. That is 33,50,000 in the debit side and 33,50,000 in the credit side. So here the bank account should get tally. In the sense, the total of debit side should be equal to total of credit side. So in my next session, we shall solve a problem on joint venture. That is a question paper problem. My dear students, hope you all understood the problem. Today we solved a question paper problem on joint venture where we had to prepare joint venture account, venturers account as well as joint bank account. See you all in my next session. Till then, take care. Thank you.